Welcome to another Math Ninja Pro video.
In this video, we are going to look at what are quadratic expressions in one variable. By definition, a quadratic expression in one variable has the form ax squared plus bx plus c, where x is a variable and a, b, and c are constants, and very importantly, a cannot be equal to 0. Alright, so let's try to understand this by looking at some examples. So an example of a quadratic expression can be 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. So in this case, my a is 3, my b is 2, and my c is negative 1. Okay, so it satisfies the definition because a in this case is 3, it is not equal to 0. Okay, another example can be negative 2x squared plus half x. Okay, so in this case, my a is negative 2, and my b is half, and my c is 0. Alright, notice that a is equal to negative 2, so it is not equal to 0. Alright, it doesn't matter that c equals to 0 as long as a is not equal to 0. Alright, so that there is an x squared term in my quadratic expression, then I have a quadratic expression. Alright, another possible example could be x squared plus 7. Alright, so in this case, my a would be equal to 1, my b would be 0, and my c would be 7. And again, I can see that my a is equal to 1, so it is not equal to 0, and there is an x squared term, so therefore I have a quadratic expression. Non-examples would include 2x minus 1. So in this case, there is no x squared term. Alright? So it is not a quadratic expression. Another example can be 3x cubed minus x squared plus 7x plus half. Okay, in this case, although there is an x squared term, however, there is here an x cubed term. Alright, so if there is an x cubed term, the highest power of the variable x is 3. Alright, it is no longer 2 as the highest power, so it is again here not quadratic. Alright, so such expressions, okay, we also have special names for them. The first one is called a linear expression, alright, because the highest power of x, the variable, is 1. The next example, here we call it cubic expression because the highest power is 3. Alright, so these are examples and non-examples of quadratic expressions.
Remember to like, subscribe, and keep coming back for more ninja level math videos.